Ciao and welcome to my channel. I'm Ambra and in today's video I'm gonna show you a very important Italian verb that we use to say what we want. Are you ready? Let's go! This video is the third about the modal verbs in Italian. The other modal verbs are dovere, which is used to talk about duties and obligations, then potere and sapere, that both mean I can. I'll leave you the link to these previous lessons in the description below in case you want to have a look. Today we'll focus on the verb volere, which mainly means I want to, but I'll also give you some examples of other situations where you can use it. This is an irregular verb, so let's look at its conjugation first, which is quite unpredictable. We'll only see the present tense, as I'll leave you the other tenses for other lessons, so make sure you subscribe not to miss it. Here you go. Io voglio, tu vuoi, lui, lei vuole, noi vogliamo, voi volete, loro vogliono. Io voglio, tu vuoi, lui, lei vuole, noi vogliamo, voi volete, loro vogliono. The sound gli in Italian can be a bit tricky, but you can check out this lesson here to see how to say it properly. Before we move on, note that volere can be followed by another verb in the infinitive form or by a noun, like in the following examples. Voglio viaggiare, I want to travel, or voglio un caffè, I want a coffee. Okay, now we'll see the most common uses of the verb volere in conversations. As I mentioned, the verb volere is mainly used with the meaning of I want to. For instance, voglio andare in vacanza. I want to go on holiday. Other examples are voi volete imparare l'italiano. You want to learn Italian. I bambini vogliono giocare. The kids want to play. Luca vuole una macchina nuova. Luca wants a new car. Another common use of the verb volere is for wishes and to talk about the things that you're sure you want in the future. For instance, Giulia vuole fare la ballerina. Giulia wants to become a dancer. Loro vogliono fare i calciatori. They want to be football players. In questions, volere is used for invitations. For example, vuoi venire al cinema stasera? Would you like to come to the cinema tonight? Volete venire a cena da me? Would you like to come to my place for dinner? Very similar to the previous one is when you use this verb for offering something. For instance, vuoi un tè? Would you like a cup of tea? Volete assaggiare la torta? Would you like to try this cake? This is another frequent use of volere, and it's for telling how long something takes in hours, minutes, or days. Let's see a practical example. Quanto ci vuole per la stazione? It means how long does it take to get to the station? These are some options of how you can reply. Ci vuole un'ora. It takes 1 hour. Ci vuole mezz'ora. It takes half an hour. Ci vogliono 20 minuti. It takes 20 minutes. Ci vogliono 2 ore. It takes 2 hours. Let's finish with 3 popular expressions. The first one, come vuoi tu, is often used when you don't agree with someone's actions but you don't want to argue. For example, va bene, fai come vuoi tu. Va bene, fai come vuoi tu. Alright, do as you like. The second expression is the same as the English saying, where there's a will, there's a way. Volere è potere. Finally, volere la luna, volere la luna, means that you are setting too high expectations and aiming for things that are impossible to get, like the moon, luna. And this is all for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the modal verbs in Italian and subscribe for a weekly lesson. I'll see you soon. A presto. Ciao!